Kling AI is one of the most powerful AI video generators out there right now, but most people have no idea how to use it properly. If you've tried AI video tools before and felt disappointed, this tutorial is exactly what you need. From basic functions to advanced techniques that will make your videos hardly look like they were made with AI, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can start creating insane, professional quality videos with Kling, no tech skills needed. Let's get started. First things first, let's log into Kling. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly on their website. Most new accounts come with free credits to test things out, so you can start creating right away. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, Kling gives you several tools to work with, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the video generator, which is the core feature. There are two main ways to generate videos with Kling. Text to video, where you simply describe what you want to see, and image to video, where you upload an image and bring it to life with animation and camera movement. We'll start with the text to video feature since it's the easiest way to begin and really shows off Kling's power. Most people write vague and generic prompts and then wonder why their videos come out dull or off target. The truth is, Kling only works as well as the prompt you give it. If you want your video to look insane, like it came from a real studio, you need to stop writing a man standing in a room and start thinking like a director. Here's a simple but powerful framework I use called the 5-step formula for cinematic prompts. Subject, who or what is in the scene? Action, what are they doing? Environment, where is it happening? Lighting and atmosphere, what does it feel like? Camera movement, how does the camera move? Let me show you what I mean. Instead of writing, a woman dancing on a beach. Try this, a graceful ballerina in a flowing red dress twirls barefoot across a moonlit beach. Ocean waves crash gently in the background as soft fog rolls over the sand. Bioluminescent particles glow with every step. The camera slowly circles her in a wide arc, capturing the elegance in slow motion. Here is the result, see the difference? Let's try another one, a completely different scene. Instead of typing, a robot in a lab. Try this, a sleek silver humanoid robot with glowing blue eyes stands in the center of a high-tech underground lab filled with holographic screens and blinking control panels. Sparks fly from an open wall panel behind it. Cold white lights cast sharp shadows across the metallic floor. The camera slowly pushes in from a low angle, emphasizing its towering form. The level of detail you include directly translates to the quality of the video you get back. Kling doesn't need vague or basic descriptions. It needs specific guidance to create exactly what you're envisioning. Now let's move on to one of Kling's most powerful features, image to video. This is perfect if you already have a still image and want to bring it to life with realistic motion and cinematic animation. To get started, go to the Frames tab and upload your image. Let's use this photo as our first example, a street musician playing the violin. Once the image is uploaded, we write a prompt to describe how we want it to be animated. The same 5-part cinematic structure applies, but this time we'll focus more on movement and camera direction, since the subject and scene are already defined. Here's the prompt, a bearded violinist performs passionately on a bustling city street. His bow glides smoothly across the strings as pedestrians pass by in the background. Autumn leaves occasionally drift through the air. The sunlight bounces gently off nearby windows. The camera slowly rotates around him, capturing the emotion in his face as the music echoes through the street. This level of detail tells Kling exactly what should move, from the performer's gestures to the background ambience, and how the camera should behave. The result is a rich, lifelike animation from a single still photo. Now let's try another image, this time, a calm indoor scene of an open book on a desk near a window. Here's the prompt we'll use, an open hardcover book lies on a wooden desk beside a window. The pages gently flutter from a light breeze, while sunbeams cast soft, warm light across the desk. Outside the window, tree branches sway slowly in the wind. A subtle lens flare flickers as the camera slowly pulls back, revealing more of the peaceful reading space. This simple image becomes a beautiful animated scene when layered with realistic motion and atmosphere. Remember, the more vivid and intentional your prompt, the better your results. Even static photos can feel like cinematic moments with the right storytelling approach. Now, let's explore one of Kling's most powerful features that will take your videos to the next level, the Elements feature. This tool allows you to combine two images into a single animated scene. For example, you can place a character, like a teacher, into a completely different background, like a classroom. To do this, go to the Elements tab, upload your character image and your background image, and write a prompt that tells Kling how these two elements should interact. Let me show you an example. I'll combine this teacher image with this classroom background. Here's what the prompt looks like. The teacher stands at the front of the classroom, holding a tablet in one hand and gesturing naturally with the other while speaking to the students. He occasionally looks around the room, making eye contact with different parts of the class. The classroom background remains static. The camera slowly zooms in on the teacher from a medium shot to a closer shot as he speaks with confidence and clarity. As you can see, Kling seamlessly blends these two elements into a smooth, lifelike video, no filming required. This feature is incredibly useful for teachers, educators, and online creators who want to make polished educational content in minutes. Now let's check out one of the coolest features in Kling, the Multi-Elements Editor. It's like video editing, but supercharged. This tool lets you do three powerful things with your videos. You can swap, add, or delete any character or object, and it looks seamless. Let's start with swap. I've got a video here with two girls walking and a man between them. We're going to swap that man with an AI-generated girl. Here's how. First, head to the video section in Kling, then open the Multi-Elements Editor and choose Swap. Upload your video. Once it's processed, click on the person you want to replace. In this case, the man in the middle. Kling will automatically highlight him. Refine the selection if needed, then hit Confirm. Now upload the image of the girl you want to insert. In the prompt box, type, replace the man walking in the middle from the reference video with the girl from the reference image. Then click Generate. Watch this, Kling swaps the characters while keeping the walk cycle, shadows, and lighting completely natural. It's like movie magic, but done in seconds. Now, let's move on to delete. We're going to remove the same man, but this time, just delete him completely. Open the editor again, choose Delete, and upload your video. Select the man by clicking on him, confirm your choice, then type, delete the man walking in the middle from the reference video. Hit Generate. And just like that, Kling removes the man, and rebuilds the background so it looks like he was never there. No editing software needed. No green screens. Just clean, natural results. Now let's try the add function. I'll take the version of the video without the man, and now I want to add a robot where he used to be. Back in the editor, choose Add, upload the updated video, then upload the robot image. In the prompt box, type, using the context of the reference video, seamlessly add the robot from the reference image. Click Generate. And there it is, the robot is perfectly placed in the scene, with matching lighting and angles that make it look like part of the original footage. To get the best results, keep these tips in mind, be super specific in your prompts. Instead of saying, swap the character, say, replace the man walking in the middle with the girl from the reference image. Use high-quality images with solid or transparent backgrounds. Avoid cluttered photos, they confuse the AI. Be precise with your selections. A careful click now saves time later. And don't stress if the first result isn't perfect. Just tweak your prompt, adjust your selection, and try again. The Multi-Elements Editor in Kling 1.6 gives you powerful control over your video content. It's perfect for storytelling, creative scenes, or fixing footage, all without ever touching complex software. Just upload, describe, and let Kling do the work. Now let's look at the lip sync feature. This tool lets you bring your characters to life by adding realistic voice-overs that match their mouth movements perfectly. Here's how it works, click on the lip sync button. Then, upload your video. This can be a character you created, or any video you want to add voice to. Now, you have two options. You can type the text you want the character to speak, and choose from a variety of AI-generated voices, or, if you already have a voice recording, you can simply upload your own audio file. For this example, I'll write a short script, then choose one of the AI voices from the list. Once I'm happy with the settings, I hit generate, and just like that, the character speaks, and the lip movements match the audio perfectly. It looks incredibly natural, like the character is actually talking. This feature is perfect for creating talking head videos, explainer content, or character animations, without needing to animate anything manually. Just type, choose a voice, and let Kling handle the rest. Alright, now let's explore some advanced settings that can really level up your results with Kling. These options might seem small, but they have a huge impact on the final quality of your videos. First things first, make sure you're working in professional mode. It uses more credits, yes, but the quality boost is totally worth it. You'll get sharper textures, more natural lighting, smoother motion, and just an overall more professional finish. If you're aiming for premium content, this is a must. Next up is the creativity slider. This controls how closely the AI sticks to your prompt. Want Kling to follow your instructions word for word? Slide it closer to relevance. Want the AI to experiment and maybe surprise you with creative touches? Move it toward creativity. For most use cases, especially commercial work, you'll want to keep it more on the relevance side, so your results stay controlled and predictable. Now here's a powerful tip most people miss: use the negative prompt box. This is where you tell Kling what to avoid. Type in things like blurry, distorted hands, weird faces, pixelated, glitchy movement, jerky camera. This helps the AI clean up your video and avoid those strange or messy outputs. If you're working on a series of videos using the same character, always use the same reference image each time. Also try to stick with similar lighting and camera angles in your prompts. This keeps your visuals consistent across all scenes, which is key to looking professional. These advanced settings give you a lot more control over the creative process. So, take a few moments to dial them in before you generate. You'll see the difference right away. And if you want to learn more tutorial like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.